Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to conveniently copy and paste the Wi-Fi password of the network you are currently connected? In this video, I will show you how you can access and view it on your iPhone. Let's go. With the new iOS 16 update, your Wi-Fi password is now easily accessible without having to download any software or use a computer to view it. To do so, launch the Settings app and navigate to Wi-Fi. Then tap on the I button beside your active Wi-Fi network. Access the password field from the options and provide the passcode when prompted. After that, the Wi-Fi password should now be visible. Then you can long press on the password to copy and paste it anywhere on your device. If you are interested in making a QR code for your Wi-Fi networks, I will link a video on the tag above and on the description below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.